will be doing a solo video, which is daunting, horrifying. I decided today I'm going to be crafty. I'm feeling unusually, you know, creative today. And I thought I would get my old Boohoo jacket that I bought a few years ago that I haven't worn much. It's been gathering dust in my wardrobe, and I would paint it multicolored pastel. So we have these paints that we got from Kmart, and they've done us so well. We paint all of our pots with it. We paint anything that has a surface with it. As you can see, the colors are absolutely stunning. And I will just be going along the grid, the natural grid of the jacket. So it's got all these little segments. I'm just going to be painting each one a different pastel color, see how it works out. Cheap paintbrushes from the $2 shop. I just ran down and got them.
Cha-ching. Are your paints acrylic?
Who knows? Who knows? I don't know what formula these are. They come off on pots in water. But I don't plan on washing this like anytime soon. I don't wash jackets. I got nothing to lose at this point, so we're going to experiment and hopefully it stays. Okay, well, I'm just going to get into it, so I hope you enjoy it. I'm like shaking from being on my knees. This is hard. Hard work. Imagine if I'm wearing this out one day and it just starts raining and I melt. Color everywhere.
Obscure reference, but very avant-garde challenge from Project Runway.
She immediately begins to change color. When she spins, it's getting darker and it's going all over her.
That'd be beautiful.
That'd be stunning, right? Oh god, it's like laborious. It's a chore at this point. Art's meant to be like relaxing, fun, creative.
You have to think about what you're painting on the other.
This flap.
Yeah.
I don't know. We'll go back to it. We'll get back to the flap.
Millie just avoids her problems. Millie is getting so tired and she doesn't want to show you guys.
I'm so sweaty at this point.
And she's only done less than a quarter of the jacket and she's already regretting.
I've done nothing and I want to tap out. It's going well. It is going well. I've run out of pink, but I finished all the pink parts, so it goes. Art is not glamorous.
It's getting dark outside.
Help.
And Camilla is...
I just need to do the collar and the bottom and this. But it is looking good. Some parts are patchy, awesome. But that is cool. Guys, it's been a real hassle.
Are you done?
I'm done. I'm done.
Wait, let's turn on the lights.
Done? Entirely. What do y'all think?
It looks so good.
Isn't it so cute?
It's so cool.
Guys,
it looks so epic! The front especially is like everything.
If you've got something that's been lying around in your closet and you don't know what to do with it and you want to own a pastel jacket, just do it. Just paint whatever you have in your wardrobe that you don't use anymore and make it a pastel wonderland, because I really wanted the Unif like leather jacket that would look like this, but I could never afford it. But now I have one of my own that I made myself. I'm going to pair this with like plain stuff underneath so that the jacket really shines, but I'm also going to pair it with like kind of matching corresponding colors, if you know what I mean.
Woo! Proud of you for finishing.
Took all day. Hey guys, so I'm going to be pairing this jacket with a few items around the house and just showing you how it can be styled, because it obviously is a huge statement piece, but that doesn't mean you have to go minimal with it, you know what I'm saying? So I have paired it with some pink and some purple. The jacket doesn't have purple, so I thought I would fill that gap in. And I just think it looks really good. It makes the whole outfit rainbow. It makes you look like a pastel dream. This looks so good. Tiasha, back me up.
You look amazing!
Thanks. You have something that you can just throw over the top that's like great for layering. Just a simple basic dress, chuck it on. This top was recently gifted to me from Tiasha when she went to Wigo in Japan, and I did ask for it, and it is beautiful. Yeah, I recommend a t-shirt, a basic slip dress, picking out anything that corresponds to the colors that you're working with, and you'll end up looking like a popsicle, and that's kind of what I'm going for.
Girl, you did such a good job. I can't believe how good it looks.
This is outfit number 2. As you can see, I'm not straying far from the path of like pastel, because that is, at the end of the day, my aesthetic and all I own. I would recommend pairing it with just a plain black dress, but I don't have one. So in the meantime, it's winter in Australia right now. It's freezing, it's cold, it's rainy. But this is something for the cooler months. You got a jacket, you got a jumper, you're layering, you're not cold. I'm wearing my jeans, which are a staple in my wardrobe. And basically, I'm not shying away from the fact that this jacket is extra. So this jumper is from Wish, and I got it for about 15 Australian dollars. And it just kind of, you know when you have a really cool jacket on, and you don't want to take it off because your outfit underneath is kind of air. This way you don't have to compromise.
Oh my god, queen.
Yes, winter, it's coming. Okay, so for the last look, I chose just a simple yellow dress to pinpoint one of the colors so that it makes it pop a bit more. I don't know if that's working, but I feel like if you just isolate one color, it looks like more of a yellow look, and it's the most easy outfit in the whole world. You just chuck on a dress, chuck a jacket on. I'm ready to go to the beach and just not swim, but watch.
It's like an illusion, like the yellow in the front.
Kind of
yes.
Seeps into it.
Yeah.
The jacket's doing the work for the outfit. You're sorted.
Damn, I said dance. Oh god, it's so bad. You're dancing so bad.
You guys are really awesome.